My trim was looking kind of dingy, kind of gray, and I'd done a little research, you know, typical YouTube stuff, and found Project Farm, where he did a review on several different trim restoration products. And the one that he used or recommended was this CeraKote Trim Coat. Here's a big pack. Says it does like one vehicle. Comes with a bunch of these little ones in there. You open it up and it looks about like this, kind of like a wet nap. This one's dried out. I just did this yesterday, and my trim was a gray, dingy kind of gray. And I don't know if the camera can even see it, but I mean, it's just amazing. It looks brand new. And you just wipe it on. You don't have to wipe it off or anything like that. Went all under the door frame. And it comes out pretty wet to begin with, and then it dries and leaves the nice texture. And even if you use those things to the last little inch, till they're like almost dry, it still comes out looking great. Because I stretched them as far as I could on the bottom parts. I mean, and it looks just as good as the rest of it. So I highly recommend the CeraKote Trim Restoration product, and I'll put a link back down to it where I bought it on Amazon for like 20 bucks.